In this video, we will see why earth pin is longer and cross-sectional area is greater than other pins, that is phase and neutral pin. So in the last video, I explained about 3-pin and 2-pin plug, and if you need, go and see the link in the description. I given in that description itself. Go and see what is 2-pin plug and the 3-pin plug. So first we will see why the earth pin is longer. That is, we can see in that plug itself, the earth pin is somewhat longer than other two pins, phase and neutral pins. So what is the reason? So normally in that longer shape of that earth pin allows the earth pin to be first to be connected and last to disconnect. That is, when we are going to insert the plug in the socket, the earth pin first will be inserted. So at the time of removing the plug from the socket, that earth pin is finally removed. So why it means at the time of inserting or removing the plug from the socket, we have some leakage current, means that is first grounded by means of the plug at the time of inserting the plug into the socket, and if you are removing the plug at the time also we can get some leakage current, so that leakage current can also be removed when we are removing the plug from the socket. That is to prevent the person from electrical shock at the time of inserting and removing the plug from the socket. The earth pin is first to be inserted and last that will be disconnected. So this is the first reason. And the second reason is we can see in our home, in the wall socket, we are having shutters in that earth pin, phase and neutral pin. So what is the main purpose of providing the shutter means, sometimes the children may unknowingly can insert some conducting material into the socket, means that will create electrical shock. So to avoid that, the earth, phase and neutral pins are normally provided with shutters. So if the earth pin is longer, means that pin is used to open the shutters and also facilitate the other shutters in the phase and neutral pins to be opened, and it can be easily inserted, right? So the main purpose of that earth pin, it's so longer, means it is used to open the shutters in the phase and neutral pins. And the second one is why the cross-sectional area of the earth pin is more as compared to phase and neutral pins. So the main reason is to reduce the resistance of the earth pin. That is, if you are reducing the resistance, means the current can be easily passed to the earth through the earth pin. So to reduce the resistance of the earth pin, that cross-sectional area is greater as compared to phase and neutral pins. See the cross-sectional area, it is that circle portion, right? It is more as compared to phase and neutral pins. Okay. So technically we can see, the formula for resistance R is equal to rho L by A. So where R is the resistance in ohms and rho is the resistivity in ohm meter, and L is the length, it may be meter or mm, and A is the area of cross section of that particular point, that is meter square, in terms of meter square or millimeter square. Okay. So now we know the formula R is equal to rho L by A, that is R is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area of cross section of the particular material conductor. And if the resistance here, the resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So if you are increasing the area of cross section, means automatically the resistance will be reduced, right? So that the earth pin cross sectional area is more, so that the resistance will be reduced. The leakage current or the fault current can be quickly grounded through the low resistance path, that is the earth pin. So the more area means what? Area is high, cross sectional area is more, so that the resistance will be reduced. So the more fault current or the fault current is quickly grounded through the low resistance path. That's why the cross sectional area of the earth pin is greater than the other neutral and phase pins. And next one, then we know that the earth pin current carrying capacity is normally greater than the current carrying capacity of the phase and neutral pins. Okay, because we know that under faulty condition only we are getting the leakage current, and also the fault current is sometimes we can receive from the appliances. That fault current also grounded through the earth pin. So the fault current is normally several times more than the normal current. So the normal current rating is, for example, 5 amps, means the fault current that may be 10 times the normal current. It may be normal current is 5 amps, the fault current may be 50 amps, like that. So that fault current is several times more than the normal current. So the current carrying capacity of the earth pin is normally greater than the current carrying capacity of the other pins. That is, to withstand the fault current, that earth pin is manufactured with greater current carrying capacity as compared to other pins. And in that 3-pin plug itself, we can see 3 wires: phase wire, neutral wire, and the earth wire. So normally the color of the phase wire is red, and neutral wire color will be black, and earth wire color will be green. These are all the standard color used in India. Some places the phase wire color may be brown, and the earth wire color may be yellow also. Thank you.